Tool Company. I'm here to demonstrate our latest tool, the ground pounder. This tool is designed to drive 1/2 inch 5/8 ground rod, 8 foot long, into the ground while keeping both feet securely on the ground from start to finish. This tool is designed with a hollow steel handle that is pressed in and welded to a solid steel head. The only striking surface on this tool is the very top of the head itself. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this tool on driving ground rods. First, you lay your ground rod at a 45-degree angle. You insert into the handle. You want to properly place your ground rod where you want it, and with short and steady strokes, let the weight of the ground rod driver do all the work. You want to continue driving until you reach the handle to the ground. Now after that, you'll slide your tool off the rod, place the striking surface on top of the ground rod, and again with short and steady strokes, let the weight of the ground rod driver do the work. You're going to finish driving the ground rod. Okay. When you drive it to the finished height that you want, go ahead and put your ground rod clamp on and beat it down to flush or below the ground level. Again, this tool is designed to drive 8-foot ground rods without step ladders or any other tools. As always, follow your company safety precautions and make sure you know where all utilities are in the ground before you drive any kind of rods.